Oh, yes, please. Outfit for beach day. Perfect. No, it does. It does. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm getting ready to go out to study with my friends, but I thought of filming a vlog for you guys since I'm almost done with senior year of high school and I wanted to have a vlog of the week before I finish. It is May 1st, Wednesday today, and I committed to a college yesterday, so if you didn't see which school I committed to yet on my TikTok, I will include my commitment video right here. Celebratory. It's April 30th, which means I'm gonna commit today because I don't want to do it last second in case something happens tomorrow. So I've limited my options down to Stanford and Harvard. To be honest, I'm still not completely sure where I want to go yet, but I'm just gonna make the decision. Alright, so there's 2 candles.
That's in the West Coast. Okay? That's in the East Coast, so that's Harvard. The school you don't want to go,
blow out the school I don't want to go to.
Right? You want to keep the school you go to light up, right? 不去哪个学校就把哪个学校吹灭。
So here's the cake. This is Stanford. This is Harvard. I blow out whichever one I don't want to go to. I accept the offer of admission. Harvard 2028. Harvard. Okay, that was that. If you want some of my thoughts on my commitment or why I chose Harvard over Stanford, definitely go check out my TikTok at Helaine Zhao for more videos on that. And next week is AP week, so this week is probably my last unstressful week before all the graduation stuff start coming. So I'm super excited to vlog it. It's already Wednesday, so I have 3 days. And Friday, we don't have academic school. We have something very fun, so I'm super excited for that. But anyways, I'm running late. My friends are waiting for me, so let's go to the cafe to study together. Let's go. So pretty today. It is the perfect day to go on a study date with my friends.
Helaine's channel.
My favorite person. I'm vlogging. I saw that too. I was like, I've never seen you wear it. It's so smart. Could be sitting like
It's good that you
Okay, so I just came home after studying and dropping off my friend, and it's a little after 5. I'm gonna go practice some piano now, probably about an hour, and then I'm gonna edit my YouTube video and get some rest. Just kidding, plan got changed because I just spent an hour writing my graduation speech. It's a little long right now, so I probably have to cut it down. I hope not because there was a lot I wanted to say since it's my final last words. But I'm gonna go practice piano now. I just finished piano, so now I'm gonna do some journaling and also edit my YouTube video. I try and journal once a week, but sometimes I forget, and I think it's been like 2 weeks since I last wrote in my journal. But there's a lot to catch up on with myself, so I'm excited to write in it again.
What the dog doing?
Let's get ready for bed. Hi guys, I just finished my Pilates class. It's almost 7:30 right now. I try and go every day of the week from Monday to Friday in the mornings because I always feel so refreshed right after and just more energized throughout the day. I'm gonna go home now and I'm so excited for my breakfast, so let's go. I just finished getting ready for school and now I have to leave, so let's get changed and get going. Oh yes, please. Hello, so I just finished practicing piano. I had a really fun day at school today and I'm gonna share the plan for the rest of the day in case I forget to film. So basically I have 3 students back to back. I'm tutoring someone in chemistry and then teaching someone piano and then English. So that's gonna take up my entire night. And after that, I'm gonna take a quick walk to a nearby grocery store to get some sugar cookies and chips for beach day tomorrow, which I'm super excited about. Basically an annual tradition at our school where our entire school goes to the beach together, and my friend group and I are doing a picnic picnic on the beach, so I have to do my part and go get the snacks. So anyway, super exciting day tomorrow, and I'm gonna go get some work done, so let's get going. All my classes, and now I'm on a walk to a nearby grocery store that's a few minutes away from my home, and I'm gonna go buy the snacks for beach day tomorrow. It's dark outside already, but honestly it's quite relaxing to just walk in the night. Back again. It's Friday and it's 7 a.m. class today. Hi guys, it's 8 a.m. and I'm done with Pilates, so let's go home to get some breakfast and then get ready for beach day. Outfit for beach day, but I'm running late, so let's get going. With my Pookie. I want to do all the last weeks of high school, because then I'm gonna be sad when I'm sad I can look at it. College? I'm lazy. Sunday and I have plans today to go study with my best friends. I have to go pick her up first and I'm running late, so let's get going. want to remember this.
This hideous banana. Oh, thanks.
Turtle chips, ice cream to split, and a bunch of ramen.
Ramen? Who says ramen?
a bunch
Yeah,
of
I love ramen too.
Go away. Cooking ramen outside the cafe. Wait, that's so sad. But you should.
I'm gonna put the sauce in. Why does it look not like that appetizing?
No, it does. It does.
It does.
I just finished meeting with my friend and now I'm sad, but it's okay because we're gonna see each other again. I have to hurry home because I have orchestra rehearsal later, so let's go. Hello, so I just finished rehearsal with the orchestra and it's Sunday, almost 3 p.m. I have a few meetings today and I'm tutoring a kid today in math, and that's basically the plan for the rest of the day. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here so I can start editing, but this has been such a fun week overall and it just makes me so sad to think that high school is ending soon. But I know there's still a lot of really fun events coming up like graduation, prom, so much more. So if you want to be a part of that, definitely check out my TikTok at Helaine Zhao because I post videos daily on there, so it's definitely going to show up. But if not, I'll definitely try to vlog for YouTube. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one. Love you, bye!